Welcome back, everyone. This is Samira Z Fashion YouTube channel. So we are going to make out this flower fabric with a bubu kaftan. So as you can see, the color is on point, very lovely. So please subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end, and also share it for others to see so that they too can watch and sew for themselves. So let's dive in now. I will go ahead now to spread out my fabric, and I'm going to fold it in 4 pieces. That is to cut the front and the back all together. And it's a silk fabric that we are using to achieve this style. So this is it now. So I will go ahead now to take my length. Now I'll spread out my fabric now. So I will go ahead now to show you what I folded. Yeah, that the width is 18 inches. So now to take my neckline, I'm going to mark 3.5 inches for the neckline. It's V neckline at the front and the back neckline too. So I'm going to bring down the depth of the neck by 7 inches like this, and then I will roll it using my ruler to roll it like this. So that's my 3.5 inches to the V that I marked 7 inches. So that's for the neck. So for the width, this is it, 18 inches. So to slope my shoulder, I'll go ahead now to mark 1 inch. Then so I will slope it like this, using my hand to do it. And to bring down the armhole of my sleeve, because this will form the sleeve, so I'm going to mark 8.5 inches like this. From that 8.5 inches, so I'm going to curve it like this. So before then, I will also mark to get my underbust 13 inches from my shoulder. So please, my chalk is in the chalk and the material, the color is almost the same, but I'm saying it. So this, I'm going to bring it from that 8, I'm bringing it down like this, and also to shape it a little. So I'm marking 17. Remember, the width of our fabric is 18 inches, so it's 17. So from here, I'll take it to 17 and then free it, because it's bubu that we are making. Remember that. So that is it. So now to take our length, starting from my shoulder like this, to place the tape and get the length. My length that I'm having is 57 inches. That is for the length. 57 inches. Cutting free bubu like this is not difficult. So 57 inches, so for the length. So then our measurement is done. What I did, the neck is 3.5, and to bring down the depth of the neck is 7 inches. To slope the shoulder, 1 inch, and to get the armhole is 8 inches from here, and also mark our underbust 13 inches. So from this line now is where we'll curve it like this. From here, please, 8.5 inches. That is what I mean. So that is what I'm going to cut out. So let me do that and cut it out now. So now, so my neckline now and V-neck. So I'm going to cut it. So can you see? And then cutting my shoulder and slope it like this. So let me shift it a bit up. So I'm still cutting. So I started it from the upper side. So this is the down part to cut it out. So that is it. So I've finished cutting. So let me show you how the shape is. So I'm bringing it up a bit so that you can see how it is. So I hope you can see it clear. Also, let me open the sleeve side of it like this. So it's done. So this is it. So we'll go and join it. And what I'm going to do, I will start from the shoulder first, join the shoulder, and also take it a little by 1 inch and sew it down. So it's 1 inch that I'm going to use to sew it down, and our bubu will be ready. So let me do that now. Here is our bubu kaftan is ready to wear out now. So you can see how we went and cut it. So this is how it came out. So you can see how beautiful it is. So please subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end, and also share it for others. Comment, I will see your comment on my comment section, and I'll also reply you. So thank you for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.